TeacherBelle and welcome to another tips review and tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please show some love and do subscribe so that you'll be updated with my videos about tech tutorials, app reviews, teaching tips, and reading readiness.
Hello, for today I'm gonna show you my essentials in my small group chart.
Please do check my other video on how to foster independence in small group using these materials.
So I found this on Amazon. This is a very good material for small group. It's like a sheet protector, but then it has a pocket. So this is a pocket sheet protector. So for independent stations, I use this as a guide for them to make sure that the learning targets are being followed. So for example, for this week we are doing RL 3.2. So I highlighted all the things that they need to be looking at in their independent reading. So look at that. So they have this on their small group table and it's easily accessible to them. So for the next week, if they are doing another standard, I can just flip it and put it back. So here you go. So for next week we're gonna be doing RI 3.2. So I'm just gonna put it here, okay, and put it on their stations. So there you go. They can also put marks on this one since this is an erasable sheet. And I found this also on Amazon. This is a really nice dry erase marker. Look, okay, it easily gets erased and the tip is fine, so it can write neatly and legibly. So for example, if they want to put a mark on this one, they can easily do that. Okay, main idea, recount. So if I ask them to find academic keywords, then they can do that one, and it easily gets erased. Okay. It's convenient for you as well if you're gonna clean it. Now this one is a very good eraser I found on Amazon. It's called a magnetic whiteboard eraser. I intentionally looked for this because it's magnetic. They can just stick it on their metal desk. Because the problem in my class is they just keep on losing their erasers. So this is a good fit for them. Okay. Now there are also a lot of uses of this sheet protector. Okay, you can also put here some of your acronyms in reading or in any subjects, and you can just put it on their small group table. So here you go. So it serves as a guide for them and it's accessible. You can easily check if they are following this one if they have this beside them. So make sure to give that instruction to them. Okay. Now for math, okay, this is a perfect material for problem solving. Like I said earlier, they can put mark on it. Okay. Okay. So you can easily do an informal teaching with them using this one. Okay. So these are my essentials in my small group table, and I also have this timer. Okay, it's a good timer for small group because it's not digital, so you don't have to put it on the computer. So there you go, and you can easily change the time. So usually we have our small group for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, once it alarms, they can just stop it here. Okay, there you go. So these are my materials for my small group. Okay, I hope you find this helpful, and if you have questions or some sharings, please comment down below and let's learn and grow together. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.